Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to connect a Ton wallet to your Hamster Kombat. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So we'll be using the Ton keeper for the Hamster Kombat. So let's open our Telegram. Your Hamster Kombat play in one click. So click on Airdrops at the right button. Connect your Ton wallet, click on it. Connect your Ton. So there are several options here for you to use. You can use Ton Keeper, you can use your Telegram wallet, you can use my Ton wallet. But we'll be using Ton Keeper. Let's open the Ton Keeper. Make sure you've installed Ton Keeper before now if you are using Ton Keeper. So connect wallet, use your fingerprint, done. So here is how to connect your wallet. It's change success at the top and you can find your wallet address at the bottom. Once you see it like this, just know your wallet is connected already. Now there's a new update on Hamster Kombat, which is daily Cipher, which you can earn 1 million coins daily aside the daily combo. So what you need to do is click on the end per tap 3 times. It will change. For today's daily Cipher is Hamster. Here is the guide we are going to be using. Here is it. So once you just get the daily Cipher, you can follow this guide on your Hamster Kombat to get the 1 million points. Let's go back. Just write this somewhere, get it somewhere, so you just input it once. You won't have to come back and check. Just make sure you jot it down somewhere. Now let's click on the hand per tap again 3 times. So today's combo is Hamster, which is 4 dots. The here is 1 dot and 1 dash, and to get the dash you need to long press 1 dot and 1 dash. M 2 dashes. S 3 dots, and you need to be fast so it doesn't reset. T 1 long press. E just 1 tap. R 1 tap, 1 long press and 1 tap. That's how to get the daily Cipher. Take the prize. So as for the profit per hour, make sure you upgrade. It's very important. They've stated it clearly on their page that the airdrop will depend on your profit per hour. Make sure you upgrade. And there is a new card in specials you can purchase because their pre-market is coming soon. So you find this card under the new cards. But before you can unlock it, you need to invite 1 more friend. Make sure you purchase this card. And any new card that comes out on special, make sure you purchase it. So guys, that's all on Hamster Kombat for now. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section that the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys. See you in our next video.